Hello and namaste. Welcome to Yoga for Unity and Wellbeing, 100 days towards the International Day of Yoga. Last year, you were over 21.9 million to join us from around the globe. 159 countries registered for this program. 1,350 institutions supported it, and several yoga experts from prestigious schools taught us yoga every single day for the 100 days. So this year, we have a beautiful new program. Join us then and discover yoga for elder people, yoga for children, yoga for professionals, yoga for all of us enthusiasts who'd like to live a better life. We'll also have lifestyle tips, tips on how to eat well, how to sleep well. What is it that you can do to make your life just that little bit better, one day at a time? Join us and let's explore. Watch this space. We'll be back soon. Thank you. Namaste.